This week is an attempt at betterment of my rather lackluster electronics game. Bought some solder. I'm going to try and rewire this thing, this jumbled nightmare here, to work. Which it sort of works. Sort of. Oh, and now it doesn't. I have a friend's diagram. They've done a good, done me a favor and made me a diagram that I will attempt to follow with coloured wires so that I actually know which is positive and which is negative. I'm going to transcribe that onto a bit of paper, I think, because I need all the help I can get. But my soldering iron is heating up. I got some solder, got some wire strippers. Ooh. Because what I want to do, I want to finally finish this that I've been putting off for ages, because then I can paint it and weather it, but I really don't like these weird little beady red eyes. Will I F this up? It's going to have to stick around to find out. Or, skip to the end. If you want to. You can do a lot of things if you want to. You can fly to the moon, or take up pole dancing, or... this is battery. Minus. And then if memory serves, it's switch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is me trying to understand a diagram a very good friend of mine made. And I'm a bit rubbish at reading diagrams. LEDs. Resistors. Should have used 2 different color pens. Let's say this is positive. Negative goes into the switch and also goes around to the negative side of both of these lights. Disregard this little line. And then that creates a circuit. I think. I'm just going to brute force this until it sort of works, or I give up in abject horror. And in that sense, your boy's not going to have light up eyes. But he'll still look pretty. Alrighty, what a nightmare experience for me to do, but mostly for you guys to watch, and it's probably wrong. Let's find out. Well, there's already a bad sign because I think that's on. Oh yeah, this doesn't work. Great. Positive? Positive. I'm positive this is positive. I'm very negative about my ability to wire things. I wonder if it's just losing too much juice to the capacitors. Or this switch is backwards. So this is in the right spot, but these might need to swap over. Or my battery's dead. It's got a little light on it. Does that mean it's the positive? If that means it's the positive, shit. I swear I had this working the other day when it was just loose, shonky wiring. Negative is black. Positive is white because I'm trying to hide these cables and that'll blend nicer into head here. Did I get these around the wrong way? Should I have dry fit all of this with just twisting and not soldering everything? Yes, Lachlan. Yes, you should have. But I'm sure that's the shorter and that's the longer. These could be burnt out. This battery could be dead. I have a multimeter to test that, but I don't know how to do that with a multimeter. This is more a prop than anything. I haven't been taught how to use it before. Alright, one more attempt before I'm kidnapped to karaoke I don't usually frequent. Which I think is about to happen imminently. Yeah. I'm going to switch these two around and something might happen. I don't know. Did you catch that? Did you catch that? Did you catch that? One's working. Woo, look. One. Let's mark that as a success for now. Not sure if it'll be next video, but it'll be a video where I'll finish this off, probably with help. Okay, bye.